Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, how are you? It is good to see you. I am Nurul Azzahrah Kausar. Today I will do a special breakfast for you. Our title today is A Good Breakfast Fills You Up and Gets You Ready for the Day. Now I will share with you one of healthy breakfast recipe. It is mixed fruit yogurt bowl. Firstly, we need 1 cup of yogurt. Actually, yogurt rich in important nutrients and it is also high with protein. Secondly, we need half cup of mixed apple, dragon fruit and grapes. Apple may lower high cholesterol and blood pressure. Dragon fruit help lower your blood sugar and rich in antioxidants. Grapes are good source of potassium, a mineral that help balance fluids in your body. Thirdly, we need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice is an excellent source of vitamin C. 2 teaspoon honey. It is a good source of antioxidants. Finally, we need a cup of cornflakes. The folic acid found in cornflakes help produce new blood cells and prevent birth defect. Yogurt, lemon juice, honey, cornflake, mix it. Then top with apple, dragon fruit and grapes. Remember, eat healthy food for good healthy. Bye, see you again.